Hi guys, this is Liz again. Today, the projects are to plant some rhubarb fruits and to check and make an update on the perennials that were planted or repotted in a smaller containers last autumn if they survived the winter. The roots were soaked overnight because they were dry. I added about 2 inches of compost to my soil. This area is getting about 8 hours of sunlight. The soil should be well draining and, if possible, with a pH of 6 to 6.5, so slightly acidic. So I'm going to use a little sulfur powder because I know that my soil is a little bit alkaline. I'm going to clean up this area and remove those dead stuff because this may cause the stem to rot. Do it gently. Rhubarb has a big major root, which is the whole thing, and these are the smaller ones which absorbs the nutrients and water. This is the crown where the base of the stem, this one, and the roots join. This is the start of the root. In planting rhubarb, bury the crown, this area, about 1 to 2 inches of soil only. In this container, I have a gallon of compost. I have added half cup of soaked alfalfa meal. Now I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of sulfur powder. This is a tablespoon, so I think that's enough. Mix well. You must be wondering why the stems were facing on that side, because this area gets the sunlight, whereas this area is blocked by that metal thing. It's our shed, so I want this stem to face this side, same as this rhubarb. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon each of the tomato fertilizer and worm castings. Worm castings, tomato fertilizer, distance is 3 to 4 feet. I don't have the space, so I'm just doing 18 inches apart. Don't forget to water after planting. state of the perennial plants that were repotted, but because the pots also are not that big, I have to bury them in the garden bed so that they can survive the winter. The plants that we're able to make, here we have the Magic Show Purple Illusion Veronica, Mesa Red Blanket Flower, Yellow Yarrow, Red Yarrow, Tall Mix Snapdragon, another red blanket flower. Those are the yellow blanket. Not one survived. That one is bird tongue or penstemon. Going to remove the dead leaves and generally clean up the pot. The plants are looking neat now. I came out today to check this bed if I need to water the dirt, and then I saw these two pots were flipped, and then when I turn this over, look at that. Wow, so this one is good. Check this one, there was none. This one I'm not gonna disturb it, I'll just wait. I'll cover some dirt.